If you're in Nigeria right now and then you want to trade your cryptocurrency on Binance, I'm very sure you cannot trade because it is no longer a news because we can no longer trade Naira on Binance, and this has already caused a lot of issues and people have been looking for ways to trade their crypto into Naira. In this particular video, I'm going to show you a particular platform that you can actually trade your crypto into Naira, and on a daily basis you can still use it to make money for yourself, selling to people or helping people to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So you are going to see me how I'm going to trade $20 in these videos, and I'm going to walk you through how to do that, and I'm going to walk you through the tips and tricks on how to get more money and not to get scammed on this particular platform, because we all want to make money, isn't it? Yes. And the first thing that I want you to do for me is to like this video if you find this valuable, and also I have YouTube community that you can join, and I do well to find the link in the description of this video to join us. And also, if you want to connect with me through my other social media platform, you can do that, and this is showing right here on the screen. So all what you have to do is to make sure that you watch this video to the very end to learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrency for yourself without falling into the hands of scammers. But before I proceed, let me do introduction. My name is Esther Oluwafemi, and what I do on this channel is that I bring content about money making, that is how to make money online, that's online business, cryptocurrencies, and how to better your personal finance. I bring them down and I make sure that I break them down into easy bits for you to understand. And if you found this video helpful, do what you give me thumbs up and then let me know where you are watching me from. And also, if you are just coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So let us dive into the video. So this is my wallet, and then I want to sell off $30 from this particular wallet. Then what you need to do is to click on, okay, this is it. Let me click on home. This is home. We have deposit. If you want to deposit money, then we have P2P. We are going to get to this P2P later, which means peer-to-peer market, where I can sell and buy cryptocurrency. And this is convert. If you want to convert any crypto into USDT or BTC or any kind of crypto, so you can click on convert to convert any crypto into a stable coin or any coin that you want to keep. So I'm going to click on assets because that is where the money is. Then we have the overview, we have funding, we have trading, we have margin, we have features. If you want to trade features, we have bot, we have finance. Then this is Kucoin. This app is Kucoin. We're not using Binance this time around. So I'm going to click on funding. I'll click on funding. So we have the money in TRS. So, and we have USDT. So this money is in TRS, and then I want to convert it into a stable coin, which is USDT, before selling it off. Because if you go to the P2P market, you can't sell TRS. If you click on this, you see USDT, BTC, ETH, KCS, which is the local coin for the for Kucoin. Then we have USDC. So TRS is not here. So what you have to do is that you need to change the TRS to USDT. So I'll just go back, then I will click on convert. So when I click on convert, then already I've been converting TRS to USDT. That is why it is showing TRS here. But if it's not showing TRS, or it's not showing the coin that you want to change into USDT, so you have to click on this drop down arrow, and then you search for the coin. If it is BTC, then you just search for. If it is BTC, just click it and enter BTC. But I don't have BTC, so I only have TRS. So I will click on TRS, then I will click on this. So I will click on max. So it is $24 apparently. So I will just click on confirm. So it has already showed the estimated value I am going to get for my USDT. So I'm going to click on confirm, and we are converting this with 0 fees, like they're not charging at all. I'll just click on confirm, then I will click on this second confirm. Then I have received this. So I will then go back. So let's say like 24 USDT, that is what I converted into. So I will then go back and I will click on assets. I will click on assets. Then this money is on, it should be under trading after converting it. So I will then click on transfer, and I will take it back to funding because I want to trade this in P2P market. So if you want to trade in P2P market under Kucoin, it must be under funding. So I'll just click on max, then I'll click on confirm. So we've done that. So to move to funding, so we have that everything is in funding plus our $5 that I had before the conversion. So if I click on overview, we have $30 in total. So I'll then go back to home. After going back to home, then you click on P2P. Click on P2P, like the peer-to-peer market. So this is buy. If I want to buy USDT, but I want to sell USDT, so I'm going to click on sell. So this is where your hustle starts, because as you can see here, the first one, this optimistic 01, is buying from 1,850 naira. But I want you to calm down, because this price here is fake. It's just a clickbait. Like, they want you to click on it, and then you are going to see the real price after clicking on the ad, because it's not possible for them to be selling at this price. Like, if you want to buy on this platform, this price, and then if you want to sell and you'll be selling like this is not a good business model. Like, this one is you just that price that is not fixed. They just put it there so that people are going to click on it. So let's say that I click on this first one now, and I want to sell like $24. So let me just click on, I'm under quantity, I'll just click on 24, I'll write 24. As you can see, the money has changed to 1,015 naira. So I'm not going for this rate. I can't go for it. I will go back. From 1,850, if you click on it, it is already showing 1,015 naira. So this is not a good rate for me to buy. So, and some people would have already clicked on it before even seeing the real price. So I will just go back. I'll try to scroll. I know that the price should be around 1,200, 1,300 naira also. So let me click on this. So this one is showing 1,151. So I will then still scroll. I'm going to see a good rate. This is what you should try to see into. You can see, so this one did not change. It's 1,287 naira. So I'll just click on and I'll put 24. Okay, the person is telling me that the minimum amount I can enter here is around 1 million naira. Okay, let me just try to look for I should just try to filter out the price. So I'm going to write, let me enter 20,000 naira, obviously, because $24 is more than 20,000. So I'll just click on confirm. So any price that falls between 20,000 is going to show up here. And the first one, we have 1,292 naira. So I'll still click on it again to sell. So this one is 1,015 naira. So I want to go for it. This is the way you can just try to see, because before you know it, they've already fixed their own price, and it is not funny, because they are making more gain. Yeah. So you are going to enter the amount of the USDT that you want to sell. Then you click on sell now. So it is going to show your trading password. Okay, before you can start selling on P2P market on Kucoin, you have to set your trading password, and you must not forget this. You must not forget, because once you forget it, you have to start all over again. So for every trade you enter, there is always like trading password, and that particular trading password is fixed, which is the 6 digit number that you set as your trading password. If I come tomorrow, you see the same trading password that I'm going to enter. So you are going to enter your trading password. So I'm going to enter mine now. So I've entered it, and it's telling me that you can see the hard price have been updated. That means that this is not the current price. If I click on refresh, you are going to see the price. See, 1,115 naira. So I don't want this price. This is what you can do. Just try to go, because they are making more money. Just assuming that you want to sell USD that is more than this. Like they can make like 15,000 naira off you. So I'll just have to go back, and then I will try to see the price I can go for. Before I used to do this, I'll just click on it until I realize that, oh, we still have people that give out good rates. They're making more money here, guys. Like, you just have to be cautious to see what is really going on. So, and my bank is OP, so I'll have to check. Okay, so I finally found one, and then you can see his time video, right? Okay, I finally found one and it's selling for 1,279 naira. So it's going to make payment from this account, and then I chose OPay because that is my bank account. I chose OPay, and then it's saying, let me just click on the chat to see the information that he has already passed for me. No third party, and I don't pay Kobo. Drop your number for fast transactions. Stay online to release asset as soon as possible. Do endeavor to rate me positive after trade and add me to favorite so that you can see my ads whenever you are ready to trade next with me. I don't cancel trade, no number, no payment. So I will have to put in my phone number. So in order to call me whenever you release the crypto, and I will not, maybe I'm not online. So whenever you just call me, I will just try to come here to like release your crypto after confirming the payment. And please, some people always try to do transaction like off Kucoin, like off the platform. Don't allow them. You'll be like, oh, the rate has changed. I'm going to send you money that is lower than what you please because of this. Don't listen to them. So, and they normally do this thing purposely. You can see each time window is 1 hour, it's like 59 minutes. So I will have to wait for like 59 minutes before, even if you want to cancel the trade, you tell you that it does not cancel trade. So I have to wait for like 59 minutes if it's not online, because I cannot cancel the trade. This is not like Binance that okay, maybe I will cancel the trade or something like that. So like this one now, like I have to wait for like 59 minutes before the time window will close. And if it's not online, I will have to wait. So if you get this, you should like this person should get I think it's a girl. This person should get a message or a SMS that someone he or she has a trade on Kucoin to answer me. So if the person did not answer me, then I will have to wait for like 59 minutes. So I'm going to check back here, and once I receive the money, then we will proceed to the next stage. So the person just paid me the money. Like I just got it here. This is the money here, like 30,696. And make sure that the money is the same as it is on KuCoin. Okay, so it's 3696. So it is correct. I'll just click on release crypto. Then I'm going to click on I have received the correct payment from the buyer. Then I'll click on confirm. And then I'm still going to enter my trading password. So that means that you are going to enter your trading password twice when you want to sell and when you want to release the crypto to the buyer. So I'm going to enter my trading password, and then that is it. That is very, very simple. And this is how you can sell your cryptocurrency and even buy it on KuCoin. If you want me to make more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section. And then if you have not subscribed to this channel or you've not liked, make sure you like so that YouTube is going to push it up out to other people too to learn. Like, share, and comment. I want to know where you are watching me from. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.